That's awesome. Yo, everybody. I am back. So my internet died and the stream died. I was like, what the hell? And I'm back. Let's get back to work real quick. I don't know when the stream died, so I will give you a quick tour on what is happening. So we have guild dashboard, blah blah blah. We have the reuse reducer, blah blah blah. Couple of stuff, very beautiful typing. Let me show you the types. Blah blah blah. Embed component, blah blah blah. Awesome, looking beautiful as fuck. And then we have another area, we're going to call it message preview. It is based on this Excalibur design right here. And then in that area we have a message container. In it we have the profile is going to be this thing which contains the name, what is the current time, blah blah blah. Oh wait, I think I should have a p here, which will be like the two-time string doesn't seem bad. Okay, I mean that's just an example for now. Then we have embeds and components. For embeds, I'm going to make this component in which we have all of this bullcrap, body, title, footer, blah blah blah, whatnot, everything. And then if you guys remember, we need a markdown parser. For that, I'm going to make this component. There it is. So I was making that, and then I realized, damn, I'm not streaming. What the hell? So anyways, export a function. I'm gonna call it markdown. In it, we will have text, which is going to be of type string. All right. Now, for now, I will be a good guy and I will just respond back with a simple goddamn p, which will be text, I guess. Oh man, I'm dying. Anyways, after that, yeah, now we need to make some changes again. So you will see that we have this data description. Damn, dude, the wind attacked my window. The window opened itself, and because of that, my clothes which were hanging on the window are on the fucking ground. But the wind is very nice. Anyways, instead of all of that bullcrap, what I'm gonna do is I will have this markdown, and the text is going to be exactly right. This piece of code is way too smart for me. Anyways, I want to copy paste that, and I need to go to the message preview section, and instead of this we need to do exactly right. Data.message. And you know what, my human friends, I realized a couple of issues. Can you guys hear the wind? It's crazy. It's been a while since I've heard it like that. We have the embed, we have the markdown, we have the message preview. Let me copy this thing, Control V, enter. In the message preview section, get the markdown. I want you to go in the embed section and remove that to this. And it's looking nice, looking all good. Markdown, embed seems awesome, message preview seems awesome. In the embed section, what I'm gonna do is data.embeds.map v comma I is equals to an embed in which data is going to be v, key is going to be I, and stuff. Now that's how the embed works. Similar to that, we need to do something about the components. How will I do that? I generally don't know that. Okay, so one thing is I can try to worry about components right now, and another thing is I can actually start working and just do something. All right, so let's do that something. How do I do that something is a good question though. So I'm on the guild dashboard, blah 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 blah. Okay, so we need one section for the controls, another section for message preview. I am gonna make another thing. I'll call it div dot dashboard body bang, and in that, let's see. So you can see there is a lot of bullshit there. I'm gonna ignore it all, but what I can do is I will add this message preview, and this message preview boy needs a lot of data. For that, what I'm gonna do is I will give it builder data. Awesome. And it works. Look at that. Look at that. Awesome. Now let's actually set it all up. Damn, CSS is going to be a pain. I probably should start using Tailwind, but wait, Tailwind might actually have some Discord message CSS already. Let me check. Sorry, I meant shared saying Discord embed. Do they have it? Let me just open the website. I can look there. This is shared CN. Let's see if they have. I don't. This will be a bit. Yeah, they don't have it, I guess. Embed. Okay, let me see. I'll make it. I mean, I know I'm not very good at that, but I can at least give it a shot. At least. Let's try it out. Okay, so I'm gonna ignore all of that. Bullcrap. This is bullcrap. This is bullcrap. 100 more bullcraps, and then another one. All right, then I'm gonna remove this, hide that, hide this. Awesome. Couple more hundreds of lines, and then I'm good. Anyways, so before the light mode, I'm gonna make another thing. I'm gonna call it slash. I will call it message preview. So the message preview, what do we need, my friends? Think about it, humans. So this is a let me message container, blah blah, display text. Okay. So I'll do display message container. I'll give it a display flags, and then flex direction is going to be column. Why am I doing it? Because I have a feeling I will need to do a bit of margin top and stuff. If I will need to do it, I can do it then, right? Why am I doing it right now? So this is the message container, in that I have profile, right? So let's worry about profile. Dot profile. Now in the profile, as you guys can see, we have an image. So I'm gonna do the direct image that we have. Please get a border radius of, you know what, I will not do that. That's like legit bullshit. I should make a utility class for it, to be honest, at this point. I will call it dot avatar icon. They will have a width of 40 pixels, a height of 40 pixels, and then, or you know what, I will even give you a ability to use attributes. How do we use CSS attributes again? I have a feeling we gave the name like width, comma that, but I'll just Google it. Don't wanna take no risk. Data dash count title blah blah blah, comma. Okay, so I don't need the quotes. I mean, should I call it, you know what, I'll just call it data dash size, and we will have the same thing for height, because these things are supposed to be square or something. Let's go, no, not there, here, yes sir. So this beautiful thing is going to have that, sorry, it is supposed to be a class name. That didn't work. At least let's try to give it a border radius of 50%. That worked. Should I die? Maybe I shouldn't, but data size of our icon, blah blah blah, is going to be 40 pixels. And the whole thing is reloaded. Wow. Awesome. So what's the problem, my man? Why is this thing ignored? Why? What's the problem, dude? Is attribute not supported? That's weird. I wasn't expecting that. I have a message. Give me a second. That work is a bit active right now, so I think I should take a look. Right. Let's get back to the stream. So, my human friends, if you are watching the stream, why the hell the attribute property was denied? Does it not exist anymore? Oh wait, what did you say? You can improve the code while addressing the concern raised. JavaScript. Well, I'm using TypeScript, but okay. Import React if using React. Okay, sir. Okay. Formatted timestamp. Oh, that's not bad. Author.name, author.icon, blah 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 blah. Will it really work? I don't think that will work, but okay. Seems stupid. Oh, wait a second. Destructure the shit. Okay. What do you mean? I mean, isn't that what I already have? What is this guy doing? I already have it. I don't know, man. I guess I will just ask if there is something wrong in my piece of code. Will this CSS work? And let's see. ATTR, blah blah blah. Are these guys fucking dumb? So you are telling me that I cannot do that? Oh, you know what? I will trust you. We cannot do that. I'm dumb as fuck. Right? Let's remove that. Damn. Can we use ATTR on width and well, the reality is I have indeed used this in content, but I have not used it in width and height. God damn, dude. Man, why will you do that to me? Fuck you. Not a problem. It's not a big deal. I have a solution for it. A constant value. Exactly. By the way, did you guys realize something? I did. That the profile should have a display of flags. Awesome. Improvements. Um, um, you know what? I will make a little change in this thing. I will get this P. Where is it? Oh, in the message preview. Where's message preview? I lost it. There it is. There it is. Message preview. Where is P? Where is P? That is this. And I like to do that. Okay, W. Doesn't seem bad. Is it really what I wanted to be? It isn't what I really wanted to be. D. W that. Message preview text area. Ah, what if I do this? Doesn't work. I'll just make that thing a display flex. I'll close that. And I'll give this thing a display flex. Okay, that's not exactly how I want it to look, but okay, that's a bit better. Let's add some borders. Solid red. I don't have a dot profile. Are you serious? God damn. Why do I not see it though? What? Oh, sorry. The profile is equals to the message container. That's interesting. Text area is all of that. I have a question. Why is this thing in the air? Like, can you guys please like vertical align bottom? CSS is a pain. I don't even know what I gain doing this. Okay, font. Well, I get some money once in a while. There it is. There it is. Dashboard hero guild list. Please use this one first of all. After that, it's relatively better, definitely. Poppins is the best I can think. Do I have the enter font? I do have it also. I will try this as well while we are at it. I don't know, man. The CSS stuff, it's like a lot of lines. So it is a pain at this point. Ooh, the enter is definitely interesting. I can use it for at least like the H2 and stuff. H1 comma H2 can have font family enter. Amazing. Now after that, we need to do a couple of things. So what are the couple of things you might ask? This image should have a margin on the right of 10 pixels. Or what I can do is I can just have a gap property of 10 pixels, to be honest. That is better. 10 pixels. What if I make it 0? Awesome, it works. I just wanted to verify that. After that, we need to worry about the text somehow. So we have the P, right? And P. I will give you a color of content of red. Okay, that means this is the thing which we are working with. I will give you a gray 100, or maybe I'll give you gray 200. I will give this guy gray 100. Yep, I'll give it there. All right, so we have this, we have that. Now let's worry about the positioning of stuff, right? How do I position it at the bottom? That's a good question. So I can give it a margin top of auto, and I can give you that as well. That's not bad. I will give you a gap of 10 pixels. Nice. Obviously, I need to fix how this thing is showing the time. How does Discord show it? Today at 9:19:33, and then it shows the date and time. Okay. Oh, this is going to be a pain. You know what? I will make a utility function so it is closer to Discord because it's not hard. It's like stuff. Export function. Date to. Sorry. Get Discord message date. and then I'm gonna have a timestamp. By default is going to be equal to nothing. So const date is equals to new date bracket timestamp, otherwise date dot now. After that, I'm gonna return them the stuff. How do I do that? How do I check if this is today? I guess I just do const today is equals to new date. Now, you know what I'll do is today. Ha ha ha. Will that really work? I have no idea. I have my suspicion, so let's just console log that to see how that looks like. Damn, dude. Damn. Yeah, that's exactly right. So we are gonna return. If it is today, then we will return something. If it is not today, then we return something else. So if it is today, then we're gonna say today at. Otherwise, we are gonna say all of that. All right. So I will suggest that I put all of this in brackets plus what is the current R date dot get hours, and then do we use a colon? Yes, we do. Dollar date dot get. But it will give us like 100,000 something, to be honest. How do I fix that? Damn. Damn. Let's just test it out, I guess. It will be a big number, I know, but today at, and for this thing we have to get date.get date slash date.get month. We might have the problem of some people using a different format, but for now I will use this one. Later on I will maybe do something to check what the default format is, blah 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 blah. All right, simple stuff. I mean, that's painful stuff, but it's okay, I guess. Timestamp is going to be a number. So let's test this baby out. Instead of all of that, we are gonna do this. Blah. Today at 12:40. The fuck? Wow. Wow. That looks beautiful as fuck. Is this thing even updating the time? I guess it is. So we have like 10 minutes right now. I will turn it into an hour, into a day. 1 3 24 12 15. Wow, it is minutes. It's right minutes. Nice. It was not weird. Damn. Is that how Discord shows it? 24. Wow, it's super close, except for the fact that we don't have the extra zeros. I can fix that. So we can show a zero here and here. Da, 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 da. Okay. Export function. Lean number. Num. Comma min. Numbers. And what are we gonna do? We are gonna return them the num. Not yet. This is going to be a number. This is going to be a number. Then I'm gonna do dollar zero dot repeat math dot max 0 comma num dot string dot length minus minimum number minus all of that. So let's say if the minimum number is 2 but the string is of 1, then we will repeat it once. If it is of 2, if it is of 3, okay. So I'm gonna do clean number, and by default let's make the value 2, so I don't need to pass it for these functions above. Get ours, and I'll do it here as well. Awesome. And look at that. Doesn't it look beautiful? It does look very beautiful. So let's start filling some data in the message preview, and then I need to also open the pages skill dashboard. I think I might need to open the reducer. Yep. So let's look at this baby. Let's see how it looks. Hello there. I don't see it. I think I need to reload that. I don't want to reload it, man. Come on. What do I do then? I will reload it, to be honest. Meanwhile, let me remove the bullshit CSS from there because it's not needed anymore. So we don't need that, don't need this, don't need this. Hello there. Awesome. But obviously, it is not acceptable that this markdown thing is also in the display flex. You know what? Instead of text area, I will say like div.head. Right. And then I'll go. I have no idea why I'm doing all of this weird CSS stuff. I should probably do it in a better way. Don't mind me, dude. Oh, it isn't that bad. Trust me. What if I do this? So text area have a margin top of auto. What if it becomes 0? Let's add some borders. I wanna see some things once more. So profile is going to have a border of 1 pixel solid red. Okay. Then text data will have another one. It's fine, to be honest. The positioning is fine. It would have been better if the button were. It's good. Okay. So hello there, everybody. How is it going? Right? And then we need to worry about what? I need to worry about the embed. Yeah, that's true. You know what? I have a good idea. For now, I'm gonna make a little change in the goddamn, where is it? Guild dashboard page, where I'm actually sending him the data. I'll send him the manual data. How do you like that, human? Wow, this is good for testing. And obviously, I will just do dot repeat like 12 times. Sorry, dot repeat. Not bad. Control Shift I, not bad. And you know what? You know what? Justify content. That's not it. Align content. I don't remember the property name. I think it was float something. What justify? Something called justify. Justify content. Justify. Like there was that CSS property which tried to divide these lines like in equal width or something. Position. Nah. What was that property do? Do you guys know that? Probably you do, but for that you need to be here in the first place. Align items. That might be it. That's not it. Then what is it? Come on. Float, left, right, none, inline. Nah. Justify content. Left and right. I have no idea, man. Think about it. Hmm. All right, everybody. I talked a bit. Now it's time to go search. Align text. It might be align text. Text align. Justify. Yes. Yes. I don't see no difference though. Ah, I know why. You will see that now. It's relatively better, I'll say, but ugly. So we have this. How does an embed look? Show me some embeds. Okay, there we go. Oh, so this left space is totally empty. That's going to be a pain, but not a big deal. Not a big deal at all. So my human friends, what we need to do is actually, let's go to the masses preview section. We have the profile and stuff. I also got an idea that I should do something like if data embeds.length is greater than 0, in that case do it all, otherwise don't do it all. And similar to that, we do the same for components. I will just make a P for now with a V and a I. Plus. So humans, we have text, we have everything. Ah, you know what? I found an issue. This text, it should, you know what? I'll remove it all. I will paste it here. I remove the margin there. Oh, that looks better. That looks a lot better. And you know what? I'll give you a font size of 0.8 RAM. That's better. So as you can see, it is improving. We already have like a message looking thing here. Awesome. Now I'll do some things, right? I'll add some padding, to be honest, in this thing. I'll give it a padding of like 10 pixels from the top, 24 pixels on the left, right. Doesn't seem bad. Now we need to actually do the embed design, which is going to be a pain in the ass, but gotta do it. That's how the life is. Guild dashboard embeds. Wait a second. I should be using the content property. Damn, dude. That's a big code error. God damn. Message preview is doing dot. Oh shit, dude. It could have been dot content all along. Damn. Anyways, it's fixed now, so it doesn't really matter. But what matters is these embeds. I will give it like all of these properties. Name will be she summer. Damn, it exists now. I will give you an icon URL definitely. Let me get a icon URL real quick. Oh, I have a good idea, dude. Go to message preview. No. Let me get this class name. Where is it? Get guild icon. Nah, that's not the one. Let's go to the message preview. Class name, yeah, let's copy that. Let's put the damn thing in the embed stuff. In the embed stuff, we have the author. I will give you that. Then we have the goddamn footer. I will give you that here as well. Paste. Ooh, damn, it is there already. What else can I do? We need more URLs, I guess. So in the embed, there it is. No, in the message preview, no, in here. I'll copy this, I'll paste it as URL. I will add a comma there. Awesome! Look at that, baby. So we have author and stuff. I will copy all of that stuff, paste it, rename it to footer, change the name to text, remove the URL property, and improvement right there. After that, we need like 100 more properties. I will give it FF0000, the red color. Then we have the description. This is a description. My goodness, this AI guy is smart. He's doing my shit for me. I love him. Image, thumbnail, and timestamp. Huh, timestamp. You want a timestamp? God damn it. Take it. Damn, it is working as hell. I don't know what any of that means. Let's test out the image property while we are at it. That didn't work, did it? I don't think I actually made the code for showing the image, did I? God damn, I didn't. Damn. So in the body, after showing the description, if data dot image question mark dot URL, in that case, show the goddamn image. Source is equals to data dot image dot URL. Alt is equals to body image. Fudge, it works. By the way, we also have another thing, if you guys remember. We have the thumbnails. Thumbnails are they are a bit tricky. They are on the right side of the title. Are they below title or above title? I have no idea. Let me open some embed builder real quick. Embed builder, let's see. I actually don't really know. I think it's below them. but it can intersect with the description then. Damn, this is tricky stuff. So I give it an shit. How did I press Control W? Damn, dude. So I give it some text. I give it they don't support markdown. Damn. Anyways, let's give an URL. So it is on the right. Okay, let's copy that, paste that. So thumbnail have its own goddamn area. I see. Thumbnail have its own goddamn area, if it exists. How will I actually do that? Div body. I can make a div called major. This will be the major area. Then I'm the div for thumbnail. Then I'm just gonna copy all that, paste that. Right. Instead of image, I'm just gonna do thumbnail. I don't think THUMB. And yeah, right. Let's look at my piece of code once more. I don't see that right now. Let's go back. Let's copy all of this, paste it, and let's paste that. Okay. I know it's bad. I'll fix it all, don't worry. So what other properties do I need? Fields and URL. Let's do URL as well. Title is a URL now. Awesome. Anyways, everything is working now. Like the structure is fine now, I will say. No, structure is not fine as well. I mean, it is showing all of the data now. Now I need to do the CSS to make it look good. After that, I will need to do the CSS for the markdown parser. Then we should be good, dude. Damn, this is like painful stuff, man. So let's go to the embed thing. And I will try not to die. So we have an embed. Amazing. Now how does the embed work? Don't ask me. So the embeds will have a margin left of 40 pixels. Seems all right. I will give these guys a padding of 10 pixels and 12 pixels. Doesn't seem bad, doesn't seem good, but all right. You know what? 8, 10, 14 pixels and 10 pixels. Doesn't matter. So these are the embeds. Now let's worry about dot embed. Now in the dot embed, I want this guy to have a background color of something like gray 800, gray 400. That's a bit more visible. 600. More visible indeed. Let's give this guy a padding, a crazy padding. Let's look at Discord, right? How do you guys look? You have a bit of padding in there, a bit of padding in there. Okay, so you have like a 12 pixel padding, I'll say. Yeah, it seems all right. It seems all right. Okay. Then I like you to have a width of max content. Improvements already. I like to have a bit of border radius of like 10 pixels. Is that too much? I don't think so. It might be a bit too much, to be honest. Awesome improvements. Now the thing is, we need a border left of 2 pixels solid red for now. Okay, so I just want to compare this and that, this and that. I think the pixels are not good enough. So I need to make it like 4 pixels. Oh, wow. Let's make it a bit smaller. It looks quite close, to be honest. I might need to make it a bit smaller. You know what? I'll do 3.5. Damn. I hardly see any difference in 3, 3.5 and 4. So I will just go back to 4. 4 and 4. It's alright. If somebody will say this is too much, I'll change it later on. For now, it's alright. But what we need to change is the red thing. Its attribute is going to be, data dash color. I hate myself. You know what? Initially, I'll give you a 000. Now, do you want me to use JavaScript now? I guess. I fucking guess. God damn these guys. So, style, border left, color. That seems awesome, to be honest. I'll make you transparent then here. Transparent. Wow. How am I doing this? How is this thing working, dude? Let's try like, I don't know, man. Another FF7. Oh, shit. This is a legit embed at this point. Of course not, but soon. It will be soon. So we have the author. Okay, so let's move from the top, right? So the author, let's open the embed again. How do I open the embed though? Oh, there it is. So the embed, we have the author. I've closed the CSS file. That sucks. Let's do this. Let's close. Let's put that here. So in the index CSS, I want you to search for the embed. Now in the embed, we have an author class, so we have to do some things about that. Dot author. Now, first of all, this thing should have a display of flags. I want to give it a gap of 10 pixels. Gap of 10 pixels. So we have all of that, but we also have another problem. The P inside. You know what? I think I need that thing everywhere at this point. The margin top auto. I'll copy that shit. I will appear here. I remove the font size and color. I guess that didn't work that well. Not awesome, but okay. Alright. Let's do that. Okay, we need some borders. Border 1 pixel solid red. That's how it is. Awesome. So why does the margin doesn't work? I wonder about that. So why do margin top doesn't work? Let's say margin auto. Let's say width will be max content. Height will be max content. Doesn't matter, I guess. I really want to do something about it, dude. I really want to do something about it. I somehow wanted to have, you know what I'm saying, right? You understand me, right? Humans, come on. Please say yes, you do. How do I make that? Wait, how does it look in normal embeds? Where is the author? There it is. Author name is Chitsui Sama, and author's icon URL is that. It is exactly in the center. And if I look at my piece of code, it is not in center at all. God damn it. Vertical align then. Let's do a vertical align of the middle. Let's put it in the author. Okay, let's put it in the image. Let's try like a width of 1 pixel. That does work. So what do I actually do, humans? because that didn't work. I mean, I can definitely add a constant value. I mean, that's sensible, right? 40 pixels. The size of this text is like 14 pixels. Is it smaller than the usual text? Don't. I don't know. This is the size. This is the size. Fucking hell, I don't know, man. Give me a second, everybody. All right, everybody, I'm back. So I was in a phone call, but we are back. Like selection column, gap will be like 30 pixels. That's a bit too much. It's 20. So as you can see, this is looking quite all right. If you ask me, we have almost everything there. We need to probably work on a bit of A tags. Otherwise, looking quite nice, man, isn't it? Let me change a couple more things, right? I'll change the width of this thing to fit content. Okay, have. You know what? I'll give you guys a border of 1 pixel solid red as well. So what the hell is this thing? This is fine. What am I hovering on? A tag. That's not a good thing now, is it? Okay, let's work on the A tags. So the A tags should have a width of fit content, but for some reason they don't. You know what? I'll add a and here and here. Come on, man. Okay, let's give these guys the color of red. Ah, this one is a bitch. Okay, that's weird. Why is that one being a bitch? I don't understand that. Profile, embeds, blah blah blah. Let's put it right there. What now? Wow! With fit content. So, god damn. Why? Overflow hidden. What's it? Why is this thing like that? Okay. H1 have like legit no width. This thing have a crazy width into height. Why is this thing 600 pixels? Wait a second. I have no idea, dude. So we have the embed, we have the body. In the body, what is this thing called though? Let's open the embed class. Where is it? Embed class. There it is. Sorry, it's in function. So in there we have this blah 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 major. Okay, okay. I'll give you a class of title. Now dot title. Your width should be fit content. This thing is being a bitch. Should be important. Why? Why? Is it because of display flex? Where's the major? I don't understand this, dude. Like, why is this thing? This is a display block. Inside that we have an A. What's the problem? Why is the with fit content not working? this thing ever display inline? Not anymore, bitch. Not anymore, bitch. Fucking hell. Yes, that was the problem. Dude, I discovered a new thing. Oh shit, I have messages. Alright guys, so today's discovery is that if you have a display inline, your size and shit doesn't work. Damn, that's a crazy discovery for me. But that's not it. I need to do one more thing. Let me just open, that's the wrong folder. Projects and backend. Damn, it's not there. Ah, this is killing me. Let me find the file. Wait a second. That's interesting stuff. This is very interesting stuff, man. All right, I think I know what to do. This is a bit of a pain, to be honest, but okay, guys, I have a good idea now. Let me open my screen again. Totally missed that. So as you can see, we have all the, oh wait, first of all, let me remove the goddamn borders. We don't need the console logs, do we? Border. Damn, I actually have borders somewhere. I don't definitely need that. Okay, so we have the blah 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 blah. Then we have this blah 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 blah. Then we have the embeds, right? Looking awesome. You will agree, right? Yes, you will. Then, as you can see, now we're doing the A tag. And I forgot where I was doing that. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, for the A tags, I'm going to give them a color of info 600 with important. That didn't work. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's give them a font size of 10. Okay, that doesn't work at all. Ah, that works. That works. So instead of 10, let's try like 2 rem for now. I just want to do something. I will give these guys the color of info 600. Nice. Let's try something lighter like 400. 500 doesn't really seem like a good color. Alt C. That's not what I did, dude. I did Alt C. Copy that, Control X. Now we need to go here, dash dash, URL color, dash color, and we just make this thing darker. Okay, you don't do nothing to that. Okay, I like to make things a bit darker, to be honest. So at like 1400 or something, a bit before that. So what we're gonna do is URL color seems all right, and on hover, do hover HOVER, yep, color should be hover. Does it change? It does, but it's too dark, to be honest. I want it to be lighter. You know what? I think I should give it font. I will give it a stronger font, right? I'll give it a like font size 600. Didn't change nothing. Is it even changing anything? Sorry, it is called font weight. That's what I was like. What? Oh, that's a lot more than before. It's all right. So hover makes it darker. I guess I can make it a bit less dark. Not bad, I guess. After that, let's try to give them a text decoration of underline. And then you guys probably noticed that these H1 and H2s have a color of gray 100, right? But the A doesn't have it. That's interesting. I have a feeling I know why. Is that the problem? I know why. Okay, I can fix it. So my solution will be this. I think it's fine. This is all right, to be honest. Okay, that's nice. That's super nice. So we made something. Let me take a screenshot. How does it look in light mode? Ooh, fucking hell. Let me change something. So I want you to have a background color of variable dash dash gray 800. Yeah, that's fine. Let me take this screenshot, go to my boy Flame, send him that, go back. Now I'll go back to the dark mode. So that's how this baby looks. We need to worry about the markdown now. How will we do that? God damn. So we can do it in few ways. First of all, we can get the headings out. Oh man, I have never made a text parser before, like a markdown parser. How will somebody do it? Do I go line to line? What do I do? Let's see, dude. Let's see. I guess everything can be aligned. Everything will have its index. According to that, I can put them in an array. And then, first of all, I can fetch the headings out, put them there. Or before that, I can first of all fetch the code blocks out, put them there. Amazing. How do I do that though? Okay, let's try it. How do you make a parser? Let's try it out. So I'll make a t.js in this. Let's make a function. I'm gonna call it parse markdown. I guess something like that. We will get some string, and let's console.log parse markdown, and we will pass some text here. All right. And you know what? I really love this thing. Some of my dev friends did it. That way we don't need to worry about random spacing and shit like that. Let me add some stuff. And then we have what else do we have? 1 2 3 something slash and 1 2 3. Copy paste that once more. This time no something, and we can have more text stuff. To be honest, let's do that. Let's copy both of these, paste them there, copy this, paste it a couple of times. Hey, and then what? Okay, let's start with these one because they are relatively easier. I will add quote as well, and this. Okay, so now let's do it somehow. How do I do it though, man? How do I do it? One thing I can do is const line is equals to string dot split slash n. Okay. Now, god damn it. For lat I is equals to 0, I is less than lines dot length terminal I plus plus. One thing that I can do is like const response is equals to an empty array. Probably I will just do return response for now. So if lines dot starts with const line is equals to lines bracket I, line dot starts with hash space, then we are gonna do response bracket I is equals to an object in which type is going to be h1, content is going to be line dot slice 0 1 2. I guess that's the best way I can think to do it. If there is a better way to do it, then you better tell me that. All right, human. h2 3. Oh, that's a problem. I was like, why is it not working? Hash h3. Let's test it. Node space t. It's an empty array. God damn it. Oh, goddamn. Let's console log the line. Console.log the line. Wow. Lines. Awesome, dude. Awesome. Hello shit. Hello shit. If line dot starts with hash space. If wow. You know what, my friend? I want you to console log that and this. Alright. Let's reload. So does this thing start with a hash? This, any of this? None of these start with a hash. Okay, but 2 starts with double, 1 starts with triple. So let's console log this and that. Hash. Clear all of that. Node T. So this one have a true. Awesome. There we have 4. What the hell? We have 4. Oh, damn. So I was wrong. The parser was right. Awesome. That's super awesome, dude. Let's try it once more. Obviously, this is a simple thing. Why will the parser be wrong, man? My bad. So we are able to parse the headings now. Then what do we need to do next? The quotes. Else if the text starts with goddamn quote. If text starts with the goddamn quote, what do you do then? It will be a type quote and slice will be 2, 2, 3, and this should be 4. That's reload. Awesome, awesome. So we are able to do all that, and then I can also do else responses bracket I is equals to type will be text, content will be the goddamn line itself. Clear and start. So now the thing is parsing it like that. It's improvement for real. After that, we need to worry about code blocks. How do we worry about code blocks now, human? If something is starting off a code block, then I mean, to be honest, I don't really want to do it line by line in that case. I guess then what I can do is const raw response is equals to response dot join. This is definitely not the fastest way to do it, so I might need somebody to refactor it or something, but for now let's try something. Now what we're gonna do is, my humans, raw response dot replace all //g comma c is equals to, and I'm gonna do some stuff. So firstly we need like 1 2 3, then we need some text here, right? Let me try something out. Okay, we can have a text or a digit. We can have fucking anything, I guess. It should not be a space. Can we have a space as well? Okay, so it should not be not us next line. Apart from that, anything else. After that, we need an X line. Then we need like literally anything. We need this. And here we need anything but that. Anything but anything but slash n and this, and then we need slash n and this. For now I'll just do return c dot slice 0 comma c dot length minus 1 2 3. I like to have a trim, and 1 2 3. Right, let's just test it out. And let's put that there, Control X, and let's console log the damn thing. Let's run the code, and it's an object. Wow. Replace all. Why is that an object? I have no idea. Let's just try replace, I guess. Why is it an object? Is it really a raw response? Yeah, the raw response indeed is an object. I did dot join. You know what? I will log that as well, just to be sure what is happening. So if I join this thing, it's an object. Why is that? Because it is a text. You're supposed to do dot map there. Ah, don't scare me like that, human. Content, yeah. This is gonna be a bit better. Okay, that's not better at all, but all right. Something is happening. Let's console.log the raw responses. It's a regex iterator. Awesome. Stop console logging all of that. It's an empty array right now. I have a feeling, I know why. So what I'm gonna do is exactly, I'll remove that for now. /w /digit star. Seriously? Okay, let's do something. So I have some text, hello world. Then I'm gonna do /n. A theme, that is 1 2 3. Hey /n hi /n 1 2 3. I'm gonna do const a is equals to all of that. So I want you to do a dot match all. Right. Then what I'm gonna do is I'll do //1 2 3 g. Then what I'm gonna do is you can have anything. Ah, I know the problem. I didn't add the star there. Right? That's a problem, right? Yes. Damn me. Damn, why do I do that? Why am I so bad? That didn't work yet. Not a big deal. Const a is equals to all of that. Then I'm just gonna do this. There it is. Copy that, right click there. So I'm doing /n star, then actually /n improvement, hello world, and then we just have all of that. Now after this we need like a word, digit. I want everything except for 1 2 3 any times. That didn't work. I guess there is another thing I can do. It is like dot star something. And then here I can do like slash and 1 2 3. Fucking hell, that worked. Wow, that actually worked. God damn it. Let me test it. Copy that. Paste that. I don't think I need this part right now. I'll remove that and let's note T. Holy moly rangoli, that's crazy. So first one is something hello shit. Awesome. Second one is hello shit. Awesome, awesome. That's nice. Now what we're gonna do is replace all, and I'm gonna add the goddamn function. Clear that, reload, and it responded back with some crazy stuff. Let's remove that stuff. Reload. Hello shit, hello shit, hello shit, hello shit. If I could include this thing somehow here, right? Let's see. I think I can do it, to be honest. If I do something like else if line dot starts with, then I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do a couple of things. One of which will be responses bracket I is equals to type will be block, content will be what? Content will be the line. So what we're gonna do is we will do something like if the goddamn thing starts with what? In the search string method, I don't think I can do that. I mean, I can still do this, right? 1 2 3. I would like to copy all of that. Dot test the goddamn line. If the test works, what we are going to do is we are gonna start. The content is going to be empty by default. Then I need some variables like let active code block so what we're gonna do is if active code block is not equals to -1, in that case first of all we are gonna check if the goddamn thing ended. How we are gonna check that? Pretty simple. Wait, I have a question. I see. So I'm just gonna do // if we have any fucking thing, and then we have 1 2 3 dot test the line. That means the block ended. I'm gonna do active code block is equals to -1. Otherwise, the code block is not ended. In that case, you know what we are going to do? Exactly. Response bracket I dot content plus equals to line plus /n. Amazing, isn't it? And then we are going to continue. Now if I get back here, I would like to set the active code block is equals to I. Let's test this baby out, I guess. I think we no longer need this piece of garbage code. Page down, control slash, enter. And cannot accept. Oh! Shit! That was a really rookie error, man. My apologies. Response bracket I cannot be property of undefined reading content. Response bracket I dot content plus equals to 9. But response bracket I is undefined. It shouldn't be I, it should be active code block, dumbass. Let's see. So we have hi. Let's see. This should be an h1. This is an h1. This should be a text. H2 and h3. Then we have a code block saying hello shit. We do have that, but there is a slash in there for some reason. Why? Ah no, son. I guess I know what's the problem. I didn't trim it. When I'm doing this, I think I can trim it. This content is equal to this dot trim. Let's try it once more. Okay, dude. Wow, wonderful. That's super wonderful. Haha, code block, bitches. And then let's paste that here. Slash n, slash n. Jeez, this is too much bullcrap. Enter. Holy shit. God damn it. 1, 2. I'm very scared, dude. Right now you can see everything is in correct logic. I have no idea what will happen if I add another this now. If I do this, if I add another this, then everything after that should become another code block, to be honest with you. But will it? It will not become a code block, to be honest. You know what? I will see if we have some extra. Const extra is equals to dot star after all of that dot execute on line question mark dot 0. So if we have some extra, then we're gonna do let's think response bracket, it should become normal text. Okay, let me test something out. Let's go to the bots. God damn it. Wow, I'm streaming. Shit. Yo, architect, what's up, dude? You messaged me 10 minutes ago. Damn, it shows that I'm streaming. That's awesome. Wow. Anyways, let's don't forget what I'm doing here. Holy shit. Oh, so it doesn't necessarily need to be on the start of the line. It can be literally anywhere. That's a pain in the ass. Oh shit, man. We need to somehow do something about extra text. Okay, let me test something out. So if the text is hash hash hi lol fucking piece of shit. So we can have active code log and we can still have all of that. I see, I see. You are a piece of shit. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Hmm. I guess instead of all of this, what I can do is I can do dot push brackets. Okay, so this is a bit of improvement. Now, what I'm thinking is, you see this piece of shit as code, I'm gonna make it a different function. Parse markdown. So we are gonna parse all of that, and then we're gonna make another function called function dash parse markdown. Right. So what is gonna happen is, if it is an active code block, do all of that bull crap. Otherwise, I'm just gonna run dash parse markdown. The string is going to be the line, and the response is going to be the response. I'll give you the line. God damn. So why did I do that? Because of this goddamn thing. So if we have some extra, then we are gonna do the stuff with the extra. Right. I think this is very necessary. So how am I understanding what is extra? Execute this line with I want to die right now. This markdown thing is weird. Okay. Damn, there are way too many edge cases. God damn it. I mean, interesting. Let's see. What happens if I run the code? I is not defined. Amazing. I guess I will pass the I as well. Active code block is equals to I. Seems dumb. Let's change it to response.length -1. So we have two empty blocks. Text is fine, code is fine. Hello, that's bullcrap. I guess I don't need the -1 then. You know what? I'll need to comment this thing right now because I'm not sure about that. What's up? Why is this thing not working anymore? H1 block. Haha, code block, blah 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 blah. Something is wrong with the active code block thing. Active code block is equals to response.push console.log new block comma active code block start. So we had this many active code blocks. Is that accurate? Yeah, I don't think so, but let's see. So first of all, we have an active code block at index 5 0 1 2 3 4. It's really 4, but I need to do -1, I guess. But okay, so we have one at 5, then 6 7 8 9 12. I don't know. When you have a new active block, also console log the line. That will help, I guess. Which line made you think there is a new active block? So first of all, the something made you think this is a new active block. That's legit. Then 8th is just empty string. But this is not legit. This is not the start, this is the end, dude. No need this one. If active code block is, that's fine, because there is no else here. That's the problem. But I have a continue though. I agree. If we have a continue, we don't need that. New block at 2022. I see. This guy considered this a new block as well. Interesting. You know what, my boy? What if I log in before? Active code block is not defined. Are you crazy? Oh, that's why, because this is, oh shit, humans. That makes sense, humans. I know the problem now. Because of the active code block index. God damn, bro. Damn. I guess I can have another thing called config is equals to active code block is -1, because if we have an object we can manage this stuff. Config dot, and I'll give you a config right there, and paste and restart. God damn it, does it work? H1 text, let me see, H1 text, H2 H3, then we have yes, and then we have another block, yes, then we have text and H2, then we have more text twice, then we have a block, and then we have a text and quote. They were not able to end the block properly last time for some reason, some goddamn reason. Oh, you know what, this will work if I add a slash in here. It will be a lot better. See, now if a code block doesn't end, right, then I need to do something about that. If a code block doesn't end, what do? I need to consider all of the text inside. Let's see how Discord does it. Oh, that is just not allowed. Oh, then it is fine. It is not allowed means everything below will be considered as a code block. Okay, that's fine. That fixes that issue. But we still have another issue which you guys might have already noticed. What if there is some extra text, like I added SW? That thing probably doesn't exist. In this hello shit, yeah, it doesn't exist. So we need to do something about that. So let's start doing something about it. So let's console log the extra. What is the extra? What do you think is the extra, dude? Why are you not talking? So SW and shit is extra. Very interesting. Oh, I will agree. Should I agree? No, that's legit. This is indeed extra. Holy shit, man. So awesome. So what else am I gonna do? Question mark dot slice. 1 2 3. We need to remove 3 things. So after that, if extra dot length exists, then parse the markdown. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh god dang. I want all of the content to be trimmed. Dot trim. Trim is very necessary, I believe. Trim is necessary, definitely. So we are able to remove, or I should say we are able to shave off the extra text luckily. But this is not enough. We still need to be able to do something. And I'm gonna talk about it in a moment. So blah blah blah, we can still have anything in the initial points. So let's see what is that initial point. And then I'm gonna slice this from 0 to etho line dot index of, ah shit, I don't know the function name, index of os line dot index of 1 to 3. Let's console log the extra, and I'm gonna call it log start extra is equals to, and we need a plus there, start. It was empty string for all of the blocks, but we are not done yet, baby. We are gonna test it. We will have 1 2 1 2 1 2 and start. So this X block have an extra 1 2 1 2 1 2. Amazing, dude. It's super amazing. I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna paste that. Dude, if this works, that will be awesome. Extra response, and we need the config as well. We need the config there as well, just in case. So let's run the code again and let's look at the beautiful code. Wow, wonderful. This shit works for real, bitches. Holy shit, man. Now this thing will still not work if somebody will do something like this works well for Discord, but it doesn't work well for me, right? I'm pretty sure it won't. But anyways, we have something. We are able to, we now need to do like bold, underline, italics. Apart from that, mostly other parsing is done, right? We need list parsing as well. Damn, that is going to be a pain, man. I guess it's not that much of a pain. What if there is in sublist? That's going to be a pain. Let me Google it. Should I Google it? This is interesting. Yo, Jason, what is up, man? How is it going? I think I should probably try the list thing. Okay, let's try it. Else if, let me just copy this code, paste that here. Else if line starts with, how can a list start? Pretty good. And you, I am doing a bit nice as well. I'm trying to make this Discord markdown parser for my website, and yeah, that thing's a pain. I almost considered dying, but here I am. So minus and star equal to, okay. So if the text starts with minus or star, okay, let me do minus or star dot test the line. So if the text starts with a minus or star, we might have some amount of spacing here, and we definitely need a space after the text. And then yeah, that's it, right? I will love to have a bit of text here as well. I'll do dot star. So if this is the case, then what are we going to do? I wonder, let me think. Let me Google something real quick. Sorry, let me try something. I will say hello 1 2 hi 1 2 hi 1 2 3 hi 1 2 hi. Okay, I guess this is going to be a pain. So I will control X this and back and paste. Now then this thing is, its type is going to be an list item. Apart from content, I will need spaces. So spaces is going to be what? Spaces is equals to line dot match slash s plus question mark dot bracket 0 question mark dot length terminate, and then spaces is going to be spaces. So now I know the spaces, then I have the symbol. So what I'm going to do is I will slice it by spaces dot spaces plus 1 for the character and 1 for the space. Yeah, that seems right. That seems right. So let's try this logic, I guess. I really hope it works. If it doesn't, then not sure what to do. I will add this thing at the very bottom. Hello, start. Oh, let me end the code block. Oh, my apologies. Let me add some commas and bang. It's a list with... I think I'm doing an extra... I have a bad feeling about this now. Let's see. Where's the piece of shit code? How many spaces do I have? It says I have 1 spaces. I think that's definitely a lie. So let's do, you need to have spaces and then you need to have this. So I will do dot length -1. Let's try it once more. And it's len. Wow. Otherwise 0. Okay. And I think it should be otherwise 1. Awesome. So the listing is working, dude. I was not expecting it to work in like that quickly. 1 space, 2 space, 2 space, blah blah blah, no space, and let's test it out again. So we have a shit ton of list 0 1 2 1 2 0. Amazing. We are able to parse the list. Converting all of this to HTML is going to be a pain, but improvement is there, man. Okay, now I need to somehow do the bold, italic, and all of that bullcrap, and I need to make sure all of that works even if all of that is written together. How do people make markdown parser? People are crazy, I guess. Let me just see. npmi text to md. Let's say markdown to html. Let's say that. What will happen if I do this? I want to see how is this guy rendering all of that. Let's open his GitHub. How does a normal person do it? Probably library. And then we have markdown.js. Okay, so we have marked. I don't know what all of that shit does. Blah blah. Flavor. Damn. So when the file is ready, if highlight, I don't know what all of that does. Get code. What the hell? What? It already did it? Interesting. If style sheet, then we're doing that. This dot cat head and then the body. If context, then we are doing this dot cat with the context. Otherwise, we are just doing this dot cat code. Now, what the hell is this dot cat? This dot cat is this dot html plus equals to data. What the hell is data? Data is equals to code. What the hell is code? Code is equals to get code function. And what the hell is that? Marked. I think there is this guy is using marked. I think this thing is doing the actual work probably. Oh, this thing is well maintained as well. Awesome. Damn, dude. Oh. Hmm. Interesting, interesting. Damn, there are like 100 things. I don't want to open that complex piece of code, man. Let's do my own shit then. So we have list and everything. Let's start to worry about this. Wait a second. Let me check one thing on Discord. If I do 1, 2, 3, all of that's so we cannot start with a space. The first thing cannot be space, okay. And let's think about that. So when we are actually starting, we are doing lines or slice. No, this is not it, right? This is it. So the content is an empty string right now, but that's not a good thing. If there is some extra in the beginning, then we are doing all of that. But what if there is some extra in the end? Extra end. For that, what are we going to do? You are exactly right. We are gonna do if there is a space and then some extra text, or maybe just do extra text, and then we are gonna slice it by 3, right? And then I'm gonna do if extra end exists, and then the type will be extra end dot starts with space, then no type, otherwise type will be extra end. And there I'm gonna do exact opposite, clear that, start. So the type blocks, they are no longer called type block for some reason. Their type is empty now. What the fuck, dude? And this guy have a type of something. Wow, that's wonderful. How is that even possible? Oh, that's why. Block type. It's fixed now. Awesome. So we have a content of hi in this guy. And what will happen if I end you as well? You don't want to end yourself, do you? Ah, I have an idea. I'm splitting it with slash n, but I can split it with slash n and split it with slash n, otherwise with this. Fucking hell. And I'm gonna do a few more things. Oh, if I'm splitting it with those blocks, I see. Ah, this is painful. Split it with that. Oh, will that work? It will work, but I don't want to do it. I see. If that is the case, then we can. Okay, so I have a great idea, my friends, but let me read my chat first. I mean, Discord chat. Ah, give me a second, guys. What we get? What is it called? Ooh, we have a x.js. Paste that. I'm just doing something, guys. I'll be back in a minute, probably. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. 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 That's super interesting. Interesting. Okay, so I'm just making a small change. All right. Ooh. Anyways, so I think that matter is somewhat sorted. Just need to make a minor change and it should be good, I assume. But my shit is fucked up. Let's fix it somehow. So what was the problem again? That block seems nice. This block seems not nice. Okay, that makes sense. E Hmm. 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 Let's think about it. So what I can do is, if a line, when I get a line, I can split it with these three, right? And after splitting, if the length is 0, just do it normally. If length is not 0, then what do I do? So let's say if length is not 0, then the first part, let me just actually try to visualize it. So const is equals to 3 log haha 1 to 3 a dot split with 1 to 3. So we have lol haha and space, right? Yeah. So if we have odd numbers, let me try something else. I mean, this is a bit sad at this point because this doesn't really work, sadly. I think I know an issue in this piece of shit code. If I do b dot split, what the hell, dude? This is weird. But if I do that, let me remove the let, enter. There are still 3. Okay, that's nice. Damn! That's crazy. So they're actually making stuff easier. Damn. Anyways, if we have odd number of these, one. Okay, I think I understand it. Every odd element is inside the goddamn thingies. Okay. So I'm going to change the parser. What we're going to do is const line is equals to this. Const blocks is equals to line dot split with goddamn 1 2 3, right? So okay, let's try one more thing. If b is equals to, let's say if somebody just started it, right? I did 1 2 3 and I just started the goddamn thing, right? In that case, I still have 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Oh, 0 and 1. Okay, that's interesting. This is super interesting. So if blocks dot length is less than equal to 1, then we simply just parse the goddamn thing, right? No questions about it. Otherwise, if blocks dot length mod 2 is equals to 0, nah. Let's loop through that. For let x is equals to 0, x is less than blocks dot length terminator x plus plus. So think about it. If the current index is an even number like 0 or 2, then what is it? It is either before start or it is after end. Sensible. If it is an odd number, it is an active code block. Okay. So what are we going to do, Shishui? So if x mod 2 is equals to 0, then it is even. If it is even, if it is odd. If it is odd, then that means the thing is getting started. So what I'm going to do is if config or active code block is equals to -1. If it is not started yet, then I'm gonna start the damn thing. How I am going to do that? Give me a second, dude. Don't kill me like that. So okay, what happens if I just split? What happens if the text is just this and then we split? It's empty and empty string, huh? Okay, not a big deal. My brain is still dying, but I'll think somehow, think. How can we do it? It's pretty simple, right? I just need to set the active code block to the response.length. Right, this is the active code block. And then I'm gonna do response.push. And what are we going to push in it? Please don't ask me, man. I'll die or something. Think, Shishui, go on, think. Oh. 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 So the thing is, if the thing is just started right now, right? If thing is not started right now, oh man, I will need to write about this thing. Let me think. I don't really want to make it help. Okay. Let's look at this. So this is the piece of shit text. It is empty string and then space and text. If it is an even number one, then this is extra text. So I just need to simply, instead of line, we are gonna do blocks bracket x. Right. If this is even number and this thing exists, if this thing dot length exists, then do all of that. Right. Okay. But if it is an odd number, then it is either getting started or it is getting ended, right? If it is getting started, then we need to get the extra text and push it. How will we get the extra text? If it is, think, Shishui, you dumbass piece of shit, think about it. I did dash 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 da, da, da. Either it is going to be type or it is going to be content. Ah, god, I was scared, dude. I almost died for a moment. But Shui-sama is back. And I'm gonna paste all of that. And I'm gonna copy that. And I'm gonna do that. So type is going to be block. If this thing starts with a space, that means it is content, otherwise it is that. Now, my human friends, if that thing is already started and we are at odd, how is that? How that case is not even possible. Rather, if the even case appears, if it starts, then set this thing as negative. Huh, that's very interesting piece of code also. Else run this for loop. Now I will want you to paste that here and comment all of that. So most likely this works, most likely I hope it works. Let's look at that piece of code. So we have an H, wait a second. We have an H1, we have a text, we have H2, we have H3. We have some text. Then we have a block of type something, which doesn't have any content, but then we have hello shit, haha code bitches. What? Why did they, okay. if we are in an active code block, we need to do all of that. King hell. Let me uncomment, copy, comment, and I'm gonna do that. So if we are in an active code block, my boy, then simply do one thing. Simply do one thing. What is the one thing? Just push. Wait a second. We don't need that, to be honest. We just need this. Let's find out. This is extra on right. Can you get extra on left as well? Just in case. Because we never know, right? And then I'm gonna slice it by 0, comma, line dot index of 1, 2, 3. Let's find out. Probably that works. If it doesn't work, I might retry. So we have h1, we have text, we have h2, h3, we have text. Then we have a block of type something. Hello shit, haha, blah blah blah. Then we have another block of type hello shit of no type, definitely. And then we have in text sw, then we have in the text hello shit, then we have h2, then we have two text after hello shit h2, and then we have another code block with text till that. Amazing. Then we have another code block containing shit. No, shit is normal. Then the code block starts, it have the quote inside of it, definitely normal. And then we have hello list is no, awesome. Holy shit, man. And I forgot to add that. Damn. Shit, it works. Let me reply to Waters now. Let's see. What the fuck is activated now? What the fuck is set activated now? DNS awesome. I doubt that, to be honest. Oh, all good. So my human friends, my beautiful, beautiful human friends, I did this shit somehow. I am super happy, by the way, everybody. I would like to thank Kami-sama for helping me out. Love him. He's awesome. And I will like to remove all of the trims. I will just trim it at the end or something. Replace it with nothingness. Awesome. And this shit fucking works. Trust me. Trust me. So now we are able to do a bit of things. We need to do 3 more things. Italic, bold, and there was one more. I forgot about it. Italic, bold, and oh shit, my mic. Underline. After that, we should be good. Sure about URL as for ID. Let me update d4 about to wait for it. Anyways, dude, how do I will make another function called function parse text markdown style. So we will have content, response. Then what are we going to do, dude? I have no idea. You don't know me, mate. What to do? Hey. Oh. Man, the more I think how I'm going to convert this array of objects into HTML, the more I feel like dying, to be honest with you. Wait a second. I have a wonderful idea. Wonderful. This thing will not go like that. Instead, what I'm going to do is I will run this function on the content of every object. Then the content will be replaced by an array of stuff, which will instead have a type, bold, blah 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 blah, or something. Damn, dude, that's awesome. Oh, I will work on this. Oh wait, I need to work on this right now. God damn it. So before returning the response, what we have to do is response.map v is equal to if v dot type is equals to what is it called, block, then we're just gonna return v. Otherwise we are gonna parse the text styles and then return v. Now in the parse this style we have data, and then data is going to look like, it is going to have a type and a content. So first of all, data.content is equals content is equals to train. After that I need to do some stuff. I need to split it into like 100 pieces. How will I actually do that? Like mainly the issue is, if it was like I can make it bold, or I can make it this thing, or I can make this thing, then it's fine. But the issue is I can merge it all, almost. Let me just remove that. Oh, so I can merge like everything except for the first thing which I showed you. So you can see everything is merged here. Italic, and you know what? Let me add a bit of italic in this bold as well. See? So that this shit have two type of shit in it. So for everything, how will you split this thing? How should I? Oh wait, let me ask someone who is smart, at least smarter than me. Okay, whom can I ask? Okay, I'll just ask myself, man. Oh shit, my god damn it. Okay, let's think about it, humans. So I have some, this is like a text or something. So I have hello, what's up, haha, text star, and then yay, dude, what's up, underscore haha star. And then I'm gonna do something like hey, then I'm gonna do something like yo. So how should a code compiler, or I should say text parser, parse it? Like first of all, I think I should look for these upticks, and everything which is inside upticks will be uptick text, and everything else will be parsed again. How do I do that? Please don't bully me, dude. Let me think about it. Think about it. Need some recursive functions. Okay, that's doable. Then what do I look for next? I've looked for upticks that worked. What is next? Think about it. So all of the piece of text which is not inside an uptick, I need to do something about you. And what that might be? That's a good question. Man, I'm scared of this markdown. Well, why am I scared? I will fix it. I mean, I definitely cannot, but I can try. So my question is, what should I split next? Should I split it? I think I should split it from highest order to the lowest order. Now you might be wondering, what the fuck does that mean? I'm wondering the same thing. So firstly, I can split it for 3 stars. So if there is nothing, length is 0, then ignore. Then split it for 2 star. Everything inside is bold, other stuff is not bold. Then split that again for single star. Everything inside is italic, blah 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 blah. Oh, but what if the thing is inside there? If it is inside there, one more thing I can do is I can make it like a queue. I can have one counted at the start, one at the end. I look for whatever is the first symbol, and then I go through that. So I find star. Then I look for the, oh, that will not work. I wonder. The recursive thing is very nice. I just try all of the possibilities and respond back with an array of stuff, and then I just merge it all and send it back. Interesting, Shishui. I wondered why I never considered dying. That's a good question. Interesting. This is quite interesting. I think I should try to do this instead of thinking of doing it. So we are trimming the bullshit text. We don't like spaces and stuff. After that, what are we doing next? Think, human. Tell me, what am I doing next? Oh man, I want to sleep. Anyways, I have parsed text styles, blah blah blah. I got the text. I'm gonna split it. What should I split first? I think I should split that thing at the end. I should start by splitting triple stars. Then I should start by splitting double star, single star, underscore, double underscores, and then the dash. What are the, let me see, what other markdowns does Discord support? Need to verify that as well, right? Yeah. Discord markdown. I swear, if there is an npm package for that, I will fucking feel a bit happy, because if I fail, I can. Anyways, if I fail, then, oh, I forgot about the links. God damn it. Block codes, inline codes, code blocks, inline code, italics, spoilers. I forgot about them as well. Timestamps, strike through. These things as well. I really want to try it, but I'll look into this one as well. List order and ordered. Um, this one seems bad. This one seems a lot better. I really wonder what you have a simple markdown. Okay, let's look at that. What is this package doing? You have a philosophy, that's cool. This is exactly, I mean, very close to what I'm thinking to do. Okay. Okay. Do you have any response examples? I wish you did. I don't want to use it yet. I still want to give it a try. I will get back to you. Should I really worry about this stuff, man? Hmm. Oh, if there is an space. Oh, got it. I found an issue in my code block parser. Extra left, extra right. If there is extra left, if it is not equals to 1, if there is an extra left, then I want you to add it in the code block. If extra left dot length, in that case, I want you to add that. Also, when we are starting the code block, if this thing includes a space, then content is going to be block. Otherwise, all right, makes sense. Block quotes. Wow, I didn't knew about this. Damn. I mean, that's kind of useless for laptop. Mm-hmm. Okay, awesome. I think, to be honest, in terms of efficiency, it will be better if I use the markdown parser. Uh, okay, I think this is good enough for today's stream. I feel a bit tired now. I will take a break and then finish other stuff. Thanks a lot for joining in today, and I will get back to you all soon.